Okay, this background is awful, but if I try to perfect this, I'll just never start. So, hello, my name is Emily. This is my first video, so I'm anxious, nervous, but I have things to say. Probably nothing that important, but I've been on this, I guess you'd say, like, style journey the past year or two, really. And gosh, I realized that's something I'm really passionate about, is just exploring my personal style through clothes and interior design and art and music. I realize there's a connecting piece to all of this, and I just kind of want to explore that with you guys, and help you guys figure out what your personal style would be. So if that intrigues you, I'll have a lot more topics to talk about. But yeah, I guess this channel is going to be like a mishmash of different things. Yeah, clothes, decorating your home, more conceptual stuff, whatever strikes my fancy to talk about will probably be on here. So yeah, if you want to watch that, I'll be uploading at least a few times a month, hopefully. It's hard to say. I'm really bad about being consistent, especially when I'm starting something new. So I might struggle with this, but you will probably see more of me, so go ahead and subscribe if you want. Yeah. That's it. That's all I wanted to come on here and talk about. So, goodbye.